Hello, 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 and welcome to another episode of Not Your Average Math. Today we're going to be working on finding the equation of a parabola using the factorizing method. Let me share my screen and we'll jump into it. All right. So in order to use this method, let's grab some points. So we have x minus 5, 0, and negative 3, 0. Now we have the equation y equals ax plus f x plus g. Remember that these letters here can actually be anything I want. I'm just going to use those ones there because they are variables we haven't used before. So x equals negative 5, x equals negative 3. Now I can rewrite that as x plus 5 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0. Which means my equation is y e x plus 5 x plus 3 equals 0. Now, I also have the vertex, which is negative 4, comma 4. Now I'm going to plug that into the equation. That equals 0 shouldn't be there. 4 equals e. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Which means then that 4 equals negative 1e. Doing the opposite on the other side, e equals negative 4. Which means my equation is negative 4 x plus 5 x plus 3. Now I'm going to multiply it out. So it's in our standard form, x squared plus 3x plus 5, x plus 15. Which means that y equals negative 4x squared minus, and simplify that to be 8x. Negative 4 times 8 is negative 32x plus 15. And that is my equation in standard form for the parabola. The vertex at that, negative 4, comma 4, and points at minus 5 and x-intercepts at negative 5, 0 and negative 3, 0. Nice work. All right, let's say x. So we have all right, let's say we have these x-intercepts. We have 4, 0 and negative 3, 0. We also have a vertex at all right, so our first step is to write our x values. X equals 4, x equals negative 3. We can then rearrange it to be x minus 4 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. Now we can plug it into the equation. And now we can plug in our other point, and that's right, that should be plus. Be very careful with your signs because I keep getting that wrong. 0.5 take away 4 would be negative 3.5. 0.5 plus 3 would be 3.5. I'm going to pull out my calculator here to multiply them out. So then negative 5 equals negative 12.25e. Doing the opposite on the other side. I'm just going to round this to 2 decimal places. 0.41 equals e, which means then that y equals 0.41 x minus 4 x minus 3. This one was a bit unfortunate in that we got a decimal there. We could have worked out a fraction, but it would have been 500 over 1225, multiplying these two by 100 to get rid of the decimal point, and then I would have simplified that to get 100 over 245. Or 20 over 49. Either either the fraction or the decimal is okay. The fraction does give us a slightly more precise answer, though. All right, that's all from today. See you guys.